Good afternoon, we have Coach here. Just raise your hand to ask your question.
Hey, sir, before we begin, I just want to apologize for being late. Met with our leadership council right after practice. Obviously, this very serious event that happened in our own backyard in Kenosha last night. Thinking about Jacob Blake, you know, it's amazing to me that this is still happening. So I wanted to get our guys' perspective and try to float around some ideas on how we can make a difference, because things have to change.
The Jacob Blake shooting was kind of an inflection point for a lot of us. Meeting with our players, that was really moving. And I knew we had to do something as an organization.
We took immediate action as a leadership council, as a team, just trying to figure out what's the most impactful way to make a difference.
We wanted to move beyond just talking.
Obviously, tweeting and all those type of things is a bunch of different acts you can do to bring light to this topic, but it was something that we definitely wanted to make sure we did the right way, and we found something that was going to be really impactful.
We are ecstatic to be able to help make this become a reality. You know, Axon, you have to give credit to them. They're an industry leader, really at the forefront of this kind of technology. And you know, we couldn't be more pleased than to be able to partner with them and make this a reality for the city of Green Bay.
We did a formal review of body cameras, and we were going to purchase body cameras probably 5 or 6 years ago, but the price was just too high. We just could not afford to do it as a city and as a police department. And having the Packers partner with us is really the game changer in and of itself, because I don't think this camera system, this camera program would be possible without the help of the Packers.
Those body cams can obviously tell an entire story. There's been a lot of questionable things that have happened, a lot of things caught on camera. You know, it just makes you wonder about all the things that aren't caught on camera, you know, as it pertains to both sides of the equation. So we just wanted to make sure we did something like that, something that was measurable. I feel like it's going to turn out to be something really good.
Well, this technology is going to be fantastic for our officers. The replay coaching component is the one part of it that I'm most excited about. That's partnering with the Packers and getting our officers to watch themselves, watch how they handle a call, and then go back later, look at that footage, see how our officers did, see what we could do better, different, more efficiently.
There's no better way than to learn, than to watch yourself actually go through situations. You know, we use video obviously every day in practice, and we review that video with our players, and sometimes there's things that happen out there on the field that you don't even realize until you go back and watch the video. So I think everybody can learn from each experience that you go through.
You know, there's a lot of calls in the city that I don't go on, maybe big calls, so I'll be able to watch all of that, learn from what other people did, what works, what doesn't.
The thing that I always do with, you know, my coworkers after a call, we sit side by side and talk about like what could we have done better, like what did we do good this time, like just a reflection like that, and actually being able to see it on video would help a lot with advanced training.
I think this is going to be good for the community. I think we have stressed on the police department transparency, and I'm proud of the work that our officers do out there every day, and I think by showing what our officers are doing and being able to release some of this body camera footage to assure and ensure the people in Green Bay that our officers are out there doing the right thing. So I think that's going to be very, very important for the community to know and for them to be able to continue to support our officers as much as they have.
What's so special about this football team is you get a bunch of people that come from different backgrounds, that have different experiences in life, and it's been great to listen to the stories of all our guys and really have empathy for everybody's situation and try to learn as much as you can and to be part of a solution that makes me real proud. And I'm really proud of our players and this organization.